Hello learners, today we are going to discuss about integrated plant disease management program and diagnosing pathological and nutritional and physiological disorder in crops and finding their resolutions. Main components integrated plant disease management program. Prevention. Restricted entry of pathogens into fields through planting materials, irrigation water. Monitoring. Engage in regular field scouting to identify disease symptoms. Accurate disease diagnosis. Consult extensive agents and diagnostic clinics. Effective management options. Understanding the biology of the pathogen, host pathogen interaction, and the effect of environmental factor on the dynamic process in time. Reducing a pathogen's reproductivity capacity slows down rate of pathogen buildup. Reducing the total period of exposure in short seasons varieties can also be an effective management strategy. Specific prevention and management method. Site selection and preparation. Sailborne disease remains a major limiting factor for production of vegetables in Florida. Host resistance. It is very important to choose cultivators with multiple pathogen and nematode resistant whenever possible. Diagnosing pathological. Diagnostic pathology identifies the cause of disease based on morphologic or clinical pathological findings, as well as history, clinical signs, and ancillary test results. It is important in all areas of pathology, both in spontaneous and experimentally induced disease. In experimental studies, it is important to separate out the effects of spontaneous disease and those induced by the experimental test agent article. Diagnostic pathology is essential to investigate unexpected disease or death in laboratory animals colony or prior to the termination of a study. The role of pathology. A complete and accurate pathology report is crucial to getting a precise diagnosis and deciding on the best treatment plan for you. Diagnostic accuracy has improved with the use of newer technologies. Nutrients and physiological disorders. Nutrient disorders are caused by a lack of nutrients or the presence of nutrients at very toxic level to the plant. They affect the functioning of the plant system. When suffering from nutrient or physiological disorder, the plant exhibit disease-like symptoms. Therefore, nutrient disorders are sometimes mistaken as a disease. Nutrient disorders may result in a reduction of yield. Vegetable crops grow poorly when lacking a balanced and adequate supply of nutrients. It is vital that all the essential nutrients needed by plants are present in adequate supply. A low supply of just one of them will limit growth until the nutrient is fully supplied. Physiological disorders of vegetable crops. Tip burn, a result of calcium transport problem within the plant. Gasmo, of cabbage and Chinese cabbage. Measles on smooth skinned melons and cucumbers. Nutritional and physiological disorders resolution. Increase K fertilizers rate, improve irrigation management. The N fertilizers, for example, as the side dressing before an irrigation. Side dress with a Ca fertilizer. Follicle spray susceptible crops are critical growth stage.